Hello, today we will guide you through how to brainstorm ideas with Claude AI. To get started, open your web browser and go to Claude AI. If you are not already signed in, select the sign-in page and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one first and then continue. Once you are inside Claude, you will be ready to begin a brainstorming session. Next, look to the left side menu and click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation, which is helpful when you want to focus on a single topic without distractions from earlier prompts. Starting with a clean chat also makes it easier to organize your ideas from the beginning. Now you can begin typing your brainstorming request into the message box. This is where you tell Claude what kind of ideas you want help with. You can brainstorm almost anything, such as business concepts, content ideas, project plans, product features, or creative writing topics. The more clearly you explain what you need, the more useful the response will be. For example, you could type something like, "I need ideas for a mobile app that can help college students manage their daily tasks and schedules." This gives Claude a specific topic to work with and helps it generate ideas that are relevant instead of too broad. As you write your prompt, keep a few important things in mind. Start with a clear topic so Claude understands the main subject right away. Then add details and constraints. This could include who the idea is for, what problem it should solve, or any limits you want to set, such as budget, style, or features. Adding this kind of context usually leads to stronger and more targeted suggestions. You can also ask for different perspectives. For instance, you might want ideas that are practical, creative, low cost, or designed for a certain audience. This helps Claude give you a wider range of options instead of variations of the same answer. Once you see some promising ideas, ask Claude to expand the best ones. This is useful when you want to turn a simple concept into something more detailed and actionable. After that, continue refining and improving the results by narrowing the focus, adjusting the direction, or asking for better versions of the strongest suggestions. When your prompt is ready, click the upward arrow button on the right side of the text box to send it and generate the response. Claude will then return a list of ideas based on what you entered. That's it. With a clear prompt, useful details, and a willingness to refine the results, Claude AI can become a powerful brainstorming partner for almost any project.